Hello friends, welcome to Medical Learning Hub. It's another day with another session of mathematics, and before us there is a question which says the sum of the second and fourth term of an AP, this is stands for arithmetic progression, is 15, and the sum of the fifth and the sixth terms is 25. Find the first term and the common difference. Okay, so here's the solution. Here is the solution. First of all, we have to look for the given information. What information do we have? We have the second term. In an AP, the second term is represented by A2. Okay, this one is not known. Then what else? The fourth term. Okay, this one also is not known. But we have been given that if I take A2, I add to it A4, its sum is 15. Okay, that's the information which we have. And the sum of the fifth term as per AP is represented as A5. This one is not known. Okay, and the sixth term, this is A6. This one also is not known, but we know their sum, that is fifth term plus A6. This one is equal to 25. Okay, so this is the information we have from the given question. And what are we supposed to find? We're supposed to find required. We're supposed to find the first term. This is A1, and also the common difference. This one is also unknown. Okay, I've defined the terms. A stands for arithmetic. D stands for common difference. So there we are, and that's the only information we have from this question. Then how do we go about this? Okay, look here. So one thing we have to know for sure is the general term for an AP. So let us recall, for an AP, the eighth term is given by first term, then plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So our A2, now let's define these terms here. So our A2 will be equal to A1, then plus, here we put 2 minus 1 times D, which gives us A1, then plus 2 minus 1, this is 1 times D, we get D. Okay, so what about the A4? A4 will be equal to A1, according to this formula, then plus into bracket 4 minus 1 times D, which gives us A1, then plus 4 minus 1, this is 3 times D, we get 3D. What else do we have in the given information? There is also A5. This one equals A1, then plus 5 minus 1 times D, which gives us A1, then plus 4D. What about our A6? A6 is given by A1, then plus into bracket 6 minus 1 times D, which gives us A1, then plus 5D. So this is the given information. Now let's formulate our equations from what we have. We are given that A2 plus A4, this one equals 15. So let's put the respective values for this. Remember, our A2 is A1 plus D. So there we have A1 plus D. Then plus our A4, we say is A1 plus 3D. This one equals 15. Okay, guess we can simplify this equation further. A1 plus A1, this gives us 2A1, then plus D plus 3D, this gives us 4D, this equals 15. Let's call this one our equation number 1. Then question number 2 will be, okay, so putting the respective values, here is what we shall get. We said A5 equals A1 plus A4, and A6 equals A1 plus D5. So adding the two together, we get 2A1, then plus 4D plus 5D. This gives us 9D to be equal to 25. So this is our second equation. This is our second equation. Now we have two equations which we're supposed to solve simultaneously. This is the second equation. Let me bring up our first equation. Our first equation was this. This is 2A1. Then we said plus 4D. Plus 4D equals 15. Okay, plus 4D equals 15. So here, I think it's easy to eliminate the two A's because they are similar in terms of signs and even their respective coefficients. So what do we do from here? We simply subtract equation 1 from equation 2. And what shall we get here? Get 0. Here we get 5D. And here we get 10. Okay, so by 5, here by 5, we get D to be equal to 2. D equals 2. So you can choose one of the equations, substitute for D, so that you can get the value of A1. Let's choose equation number, this is equation number 1. Let's choose equation number 1. So as I say, from equation 1, we have A to A1, then plus 4, D is 2, this one equals 15. So 2A1 plus 8 equals 15. 2A1 equals 15 minus 8. 2A1, this one gives us, when we subtract here, we get 7. Yes, we get 7. So what is our A1? Will be equal to 7 over 2. Okay, so what's the conclusion? Okay, thank you for watching. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Welcome to Malika Learning Hub.